Learning how to make your Shopify store, also referred to as publishing your store, is crucial to learn for several reasons. It allows customers to access your store. This is a fundamental step to start selling your products online. Without publishing your store, potential customers won't be able to find your products or or make purchases. So watch this until the very end. It's very short. Subscribe for more tutorials. I'll really appreciate that. And now let's jump right into this video. So let's create an account very fast. I'm going to use a temporary email because this is just a dummy account, just a test account. So now I'm going to click on create Shopify account and create store. Skip all. Now it's building our store. So building your store, almost done. Just have to wait a couple of seconds. Now we have our store here. Now, as you can see for myself, Shopify offers a free trial period, allowing you to explore platforms, feature, and you can set up your store without paying initially. However, to make your store publicly accessible, and receive actual orders, you need to choose a paid subscription plan, and this is how Shopify sustains its business model. So they're offering like a free trial for potential customers. And now if you want to do so, you have to go to settings here. So click on settings, and here we can click on plan. So click on plan, and here we can have to choose a plan and choose your plan. Here it's only $1, and then it's starting at, you see here, the current rate, and also what they're offering you. You can also, instead of starting at 21 or 60, start with 1, but then it will charge you 21 or 59. Now you select your plan, you add your payment, you add a payment, and you can pay for this, and then you can go online. You just have to go to preferences here, and then here, all the way down here, you should uncheck this button. But as you can see, to let anyone access your online store, pick a plan. So that's very important if you want to just if you want anyone to access your website, make sure you choose a plan. But just so you know, that's what you have to do. You have to upgrade, and this message is just serves you to explore their paid plans, and this will actually offer you additional features. And that's what I'm saying, that if you want additional features, functionalities beyond the free trial, this what you have to do. You have to pick a plan, choose a plan, select basic, select or this one, or the select advanced, and these are the actual additional features. So I hope, guys, you found this helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.